Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we are going to be breaking a blaster box of the 2023 Optic UFC. This one is serial number ending in, what does that say? 103. It was the odd one. That's why I picked it. A lot of the boxes were ending at like 5-4 something. They were all like numerical. I mean, I don't know if it means anything, so I just picked a box with a different serial number, different sequence of serial number. Let's see what we get. I'm a big fan of Valentina Shevchenko. I'd be happy with any of her cards. Even a base card would be cool. How many packs we got here? All right, we got 6. All right, this is pack number 1. Pack number 1. Back Bo Nickel is on the back. Ooh, GSP. I like George St. Pierre. Juliana Pena. Hey, that's cool. Cool and cool. All right, no parallels though. Jalen Turner. Ooh, that was a color actually. That's pretty cool. Was it numbered? No. Stephen Thompson. Okay. Nothing too fancy there. Pack number 3. Gilbert Burns, Yar Rodriguez, Michael Chandler, Silver, Stephen Thompson. Prism, Josh Barnett. Ooh, purple. I think that's, is that numbered? Nope. Sergey, I don't know. Some of these. Kobe, I know who that guy was. All right, nothing too crazy. Tito Ortiz. Oh, that was cool back in the day. Ooh, what's this? My House. Oh, it's an autograph. Huh. That's cool. Tank Abbott autograph. I remember this guy. Wow. Tank Abbott. No way. This guy was a beast. He literally was a tank. He just comes at you and punch, 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 punch. He was like a Street Fighter character. Oh, it's numbered. Wow, that's cool. 104, 199. Wait a minute. What's the box number? 103. That's cool. That's a nice hit for just a blaster. That's really cool. I don't think there's a lot of Tank Abbott autographs. This guy's a legend. That's amazing. That's cool. Put that aside. Last pack. Hey, that was cool. For a blaster? I'll take it. Here's another Prism. I don't want to chop. Ooh, Derek Lewis. Oh, he's so funny. Ian. Kamzat. BJ Penn. Wow. Daniel Durish. Oh, my brother likes Kamzat, so I'll give that to him. But look at that. Tank Abbott. Auto. Pretty sweet. Not too shabby. What is this? Oh, yeah, that's nothing. That's just very cool. Here's a keeper. All right. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching.